asking for a raise.
Hi, Jim. How are you today?
I'm good, John. How about you?
I'm fine. Got something on my mind.
What's bothering you, John?
Thinking about asking for a raise.
That sounds like a good idea.
But I'm not sure how to.
Have you done any research?
Yes, but still feeling quite unsure.
Maybe I can help you, John.
That would be great, Jim.
First, know your worth and market.
I have checked. I'm underpaid.
Good. Use that as your argument.
What if they refuse, Jim?
Then, consider looking for another job.
That's a big step to take.
Yes, but don't sell yourself short.
You're right, Jim. I should try.
That's the spirit, John. Be confident.
Thanks, Jim. I'll prepare my case.
And remember to stay professional, John.
I will, Jim. Thanks for the advice.
Anytime, John. Good luck with it.
Thanks, Jim. I'll let you know.
Looking forward to hearing good news.
Thanks for the support, Jim.
You're welcome, John. You've got this.
Let's practice with John. You are Jim. Speak during the pause.
Hi, Jim. How are you today? I'm fine. Got something on my mind. Thinking about asking for a raise. But I'm not sure how to. Yes, but still feeling quite unsure. That would be great, Jim. I have checked. I'm underpaid. What if they refuse, Jim? That's a big step to take. You're right, Jim. I should try. Thanks, Jim. I'll prepare my case. I will, Jim. Thanks for the advice. Thanks, Jim. I'll let you know. Thanks for the support, Jim.
Let's practice with Jim. You are John. Speak during the pause.
I'm good, John. How about you? What's bothering you, John? That sounds like a good idea. Have you done any research? Maybe I can help you, John. First, know your worth and market. Good. Use that as your argument. Then, consider looking for another job. Yes, but don't sell yourself short. That's the spirit, John. Be confident. And remember to stay professional, John. Anytime, John. Good luck with it. Looking forward to hearing good news. You're welcome, John. You've got this.